Hi everyone, welcome to Adventure Canada. This video is about mandatory things for creation of Express Entry profile. Canada PR visa needs to start with Express Entry profile, and to create Express Entry profile there are two mandatory things. Without this you cannot just create Express Entry profile. First IELTS, second WES. IELTS is the International English Language Testing System. It is the first step to start with the Canada PR process. There are two types of IELTS. IELTS Academic, IELTS General Training, and IELTS Academic is used for study purpose. IELTS General Training used for work in foreign countries, in Canada also. And in this video, we are going to see about IELTS General Training detail. In International English Language Testing System, IELTS measures the language proficiency of people who want to work and study in Canada and many other speaking countries. Without writing IELTS, one cannot work or study in Canada. The score level is between band score 1 to band score 9, and band score 1 is non-user and band score 9 is expert user. So IELTS measures the person's ability between band score 1 to band score 9. It's a 9-band scale. IELTS test mode is initially it was only paper based mode, and now it becomes online also. There are two test modes available. You can prefer which one you want, either paper based mode or online mode. That IELTS test pattern is different for general training and different for academic. General training and academic has common question papers on listening and speaking, and reading and writing is different for each. So IELTS general training and academic students will write listening and speaking in same question paper, and for reading and writing they will get different question papers, and listening, reading, writing test will be conducted together in one question paper, and speaking will be at different timings. It may be on same day or another day. And this listening, reading, writing has common question, and it is considered as a one question, and the test duration is 3 hours. Academic and general training students will sit together and write the exams, but they will get different question papers. IELTS scale is the highest scale is 9 band score, and it is called skill level expert user. 8 is very good user, and the description is given here. You can refer it. 7 is good user. IELTS 6 band score 6 is competent user. 5 is modest user. 4 is a limited user. Band score 3 skill level is extremely limited user. Band score 2 is intermittent user. Band score 1 non-user. 0 did not attempt the test. It means the test taker did not answer the questions. IELTS report form contains your test score on 4 categories: listening, reading, writing and speaking. The test score for each of the component is given separately. For listening, how much score, reading, how much score, likewise writing and speaking. So the overall band score is given for each components, and the overall band score is the average of the 4 component scores rounded to the nearest whole or half band. If, for example, if the overall band score, that is, it is a half score is 6.5, means it will given as a 7. That is called band score. Score is different from band score. So components band scores will see individually the what are the criteria for listening. IELTS listening test contains 40 questions. Each correct answer is awarded 1 mark. Scores out of 40 are converted to the IELTS 9 band scale. Scores are reported in whole and half bands. If the band score is 5, means the score got out of 40 is 16, and for 23 score the band score is 6. For 30 out of 40 the band score is 7, and for 35 out of 40 band score is 8. Above 35, if you get any mark, the band score will be 9, and 9 is a maximum band score. Reading scores also for 40 questions. Each correct answer is awarded 1 mark. Scores out of 40 are converted to the IELTS 9 band scale. Scores are reported in whole and half bands. Reading score is measured out of 40. If we get 15 out of 40, the band score is 4, and 23 band score is 5. If you score 30, band score is 6. If you score 34, band score is 7. If you score 38, band score is 8. If you score above 38, that is 39 and 40, the band score is 9. And for reading also, maximum band score is 9. For writing, the score is calculated. The assessment criteria is awarded based on these criteria. Task achievement. There are 2 tasks in IELTS writing. Task 1, task 2. Coherence and cohesion, lexical resource, grammatical range and accuracy. The criteria are weighted equally and the score on the task is the average. Component band score for speaking. Examiners use assessment criteria to award a band score for each of the 4 criteria: fluency and coherence, lexical resource, grammatical range and accuracy, pronunciation. The criteria are weighted equally and the speaking band score is the average. IELTS results validity is for 2 years. However, in some cases it may vary based on the country you choose. And for Canada, the required score to get good score in CRS is listening 8 and general training reading 7, general training writing 7, speaking 7. However, if you get less score also, you can create express entry profile, but that is a limitation, that is required band score to get high CRS score, that is 8,777. Regarding this WES, you will be updated soon. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the chat box. Thank you.